Hi, I'm Julia. Welcome to the Hatha yoga course that is designed for beginners. In this course, we are going to explore the movement, we're going to connect to the breath and find that body-mind connection. In Sanskrit, Hatha yoga is translated as a force, and by force we mean the movement, the power we can find within ourselves. So we're going to begin with the physical activities, moving through different asanas, and we are connecting everything through the breath. This is where we are really targeting the nervous system, and we really start seeing ourselves a little bit from within. It's a beautiful practice. We really breathe a lot. We really connect and feel grounded with the present, with ourselves. And for me, it was one of the most beautiful journeys I have had in my life, exploring the yoga for myself. And I can't wait to get on the mat. In this course, all classes are designed to be as separate classes that you can choose what you would like to do, or you can just start from class number 1 and just continue finishing with the class number 5. So you get a little bit longer class than 1 hour. We begin with a simple stretches just to feel a little bit ease and unwind. We're going to a bit more HIIT pace, and then we are finishing with nice stretches in the end and Shavasana. Namaste. I can't wait to practice with you on the mat.